Hello everyone, we are the Sulfurics. Today we will be presenting to you about the piping and instrumentation diagram, identifying of valves and pumps on the piping and instrumentation diagram, the angle seat valve, the centrifugal pump, and their assembling videos.
A piping and instrumentation diagram is a schematic representation of a physical process flow that shows the piping and associated parts. P&IDs are crucial in the area of process engineering for demonstrating interconnection. They are fundamental to modifying and maintaining the process that it graphically depicts. In the end, process diagrams convey an amazing amount of engineering knowledge about several topics to many people for different purposes. Planning ahead can quickly lead to cost savings, effective plant architecture, and safer plant operation.
P&IDs use different symbols to identify valves and pumps. The symbols used in the P&ID are gate valve, butterfly valve, check valve, three-way valve, and integrated block and bleed valve. Symbols for pumps and compressors are centrifugal pump and centrifugal compressor.
The angle seat valve is used in the food, chemical, oil, gas, water, and wastewater industries. With regard to the operation mechanism, it's operated pneumatically, and this allows the piston actuator to be controlled. It has various control modes, normally open, normally closed, and double action.
Moving on to the centrifugal pump, its operating mechanism is that it moves fluid through the rotational energy using impellers. The fluid first enters the rotating impellers along the axis before being expelled by the centrifugal force as shown in the diagram on the right-hand side. Its industrial applications include being used in wastewater treatment plants as well as in pharmaceutical industries.
In this video, we are going to demonstrate how the angle seat valve is assembled. Firstly, packing 3 small items to form the assembly unit 1. And connecting it with the item called extension. After that, screw 2 threaded pins into the unit. Put the hand wheel at the top of unit followed by the washer and tighten with nut. Lastly, screw the whole unit into the item called housing. This is how the angle seat valve looks like. We are going to show the centrifugal pump in the next video. For the centrifugal pump, 1 circle packing was put in the housing cover followed by the locking ring and 3 more circle packing. Put on the press and on the top of it, put 2 washers and tie them with nut. This whole unit is called packing gland. After that, insert shaft with radial ball bearing into bearing box. Place the corrugated spring on the center of it, covered by the bearing cover, then screw it with head screw and do the same thing for the other side. Put on the splash ring. This whole unit is called bearing block. Then insert the shaft sleeve into the packing gland. Yes, you might need a hammer for this. Put them together and put the washer or ring and further key on. Add the impeller with spring ring and screw it with cap spring. Then put the flat seal before spiral housing and screw it with 4 nuts. Lastly, screw the sealing plug with flat seal in all 3 directions. Then we are finished with centrifugal pump. Remember to wash your hand carefully. Thank you for watching.